Hey everybody, tonight we're in Houston's Montrose district and we're doing a nightlife walk. It's kind of cool. Let's go! Starting off at one of Montrose's newest heavy hitters, Melrose, housed in a transformed 1930s structure on Ralph Street and was formerly LaGrange. Inside, it's all organic, earth-toned design, moody architectural lighting, and a floating bar setup. But the real highlight is out back, a massive 2-level courtyard with a mezzanine lounge, fire pits, and seasonal craft cocktails. It's a complete shift in Montrose's nightlife landscape. Let's go check out the next one. Heading down Westheimer to Poison Girl, locally known as a true Montrose institution, known for its legendary wall of pinball machines, massive bourbon selection, and the iconic giant red Kool-Aid man watching over the back patio. Poison Girl captures that gritty, eccentric, old-school Montrose spirit of which longtime locals are loyal. It's categorized as unfiltered, welcoming, and unapologetically classic. Let's see if we can take a look inside. Yoink. Running this one tonight since there are so many dark areas and 4K 30 frames per second. Right here at 1424 Westheimer is Anvil, the absolute epicenter of Houston's craft cocktail movement. Opened back in 2009, Anvil fundamentally changed how the city drinks. They famously built their reputation on the 100 most important cocktails list, a benchmark every bartender here has to master. It's unpretentious, incredibly high energy, and consistently ranked among the top cocktail bars in North America. Wow. And we'll head over there in a minute to check it out. Looks like that's probably the exit back there. Yeah, you can definitely see in there, especially with the 4K 30 FPS, it really seems to help. Definitely a cool place. Not on the list to visit, but here's Boondocks. There's the sign over here. More like a low-key smoky bar, except they were smoking outside. Fantasy gifts and toys. Smoking accessories, adult novelties. Huh. Interesting. Somebody left their AC sitting over here. What a waste. Continuing down Lower Westheimer brings us to a true neighborhood staple, Catbirds, right across the street there. Operating in Montrose for over 3 decades, Catbirds is known for its intimate, laid-back dive atmosphere, strong drinks, always a plus, and an iconic background soundtrack of vintage, jazz, and blues. With its classic horseshoe bar and front patio right on the sidewalk, which we will walk over and see shortly, it's one of those quintessential come-as-you-are local gathering spots that gives Westheimer its authentic character. But we'll head over there in a second here to check it out closer. And we've crossed the street, and here's Catbirds Lounge and Patio Bar. See if we can yoink a video real quick as we walk by. See, it's kind of cool. Kind of cool. I like it. Very nice. Yes. Very nice. Patio. And that was Catbirds. Not sure if you can see over the top of that building over there, the white building, but there's the moon behind the clouds. Kind of cool. But then again, everything's kind of cool to Urban Kinetic, right? This was not part of our route, but definitely noteworthy. This is Doc's Jazz Club. Looks like it used to be an old theater. It's pretty darn big. And then here's Drake's, I believe that's a steakhouse. Drake's Hollywood. It's probably a high-class restaurant, honestly. I just verified that is actually just a restaurant. And there's something with a line over here. I'll find out what it is exactly and overlay it as usual. Here it looks like it's Sophie Cocktail and Terrace Bar. And this is the Montrose collection over here. This whole thing is just jumping. There's all kinds of stuff going on in there, and restaurants, and that's actually where I parked in the parking garage there. Turning onto Pacific Street, we arrive at JR's Bar and Grill, the longest continuously operating gay bar in Houston, welcoming patrons since 1982. Housed in a historic building that served as a train depot back in the early 20th century, JR's has been the anchor of Montrose's LGBTQ+ nightlife district for decades. With its famous New Orleans-style courtyard, lively interior, and daily events, JR's remains a cornerstone of the neighborhood's history and community spirit. And let's see if we can take a look at it here. The best views are on the side over here. Definitely a happening place here. And there's a nightclub across the street. It says parking $10. We just don't know what that is exactly. But let's cross with everybody else here. I'll overlay this one since I don't know what it is still. But we'll find out though. Right next door at 810 Pacific is South Beach, the high-energy crown jewel of Montrose dance clubs. Known as the nightclub for everyone, this massive 10,000 square foot space features world-class laser lighting, full-spectrum sound, and its famous liquid nitrogen ice jets that instantly cool off the crowded dance floor. After major modern restorations, South Beach continues to pull huge weekend crowds and stands as one of the premier late-night dance venues in the South. So it's a big one. Let's go over here and check it out, maybe a little bit closer. Crazy parking situation. Wow. Okay, we got closer to South Beach. It looks like I can't get too close, but you can kind of see in there a little bit. I know they're going to have a problem with me filming, so let me see if I can go on the side. Maybe see something over there. And this place goes way back here. 10,000 square foot. That's quite a bit. It just keeps going. So Montrose, it just seems like a happening place here in Houston. Just a little quirky thing over here. It's the Houston Bicycle Company. It looks pretty old. And we made it to Numbers, it looks like. Ending our tour of the undisputed king of Houston live music history, Numbers Nightclub. Operating continuously since 1978, this building has hosted icons ranging from The Cure, Depeche Mode, and Nine Inch Nails to REM and Ministry. Whether it's their famous Friday night classic Numbers alternative dance party or live shows, this place is the absolute soul of Montrose nightlife. Looks like there's quite the line, but then again, it's pretty late. Do not park on Avondale, you will be towed. Somebody's trying to back into the curb here. And that wraps up our nightlife walk in Montrose and Houston. Let me know your favorite nightclub or bar down in the comments below. Please don't forget to check us out on Patreon, but also don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.